So now it's time to pass these crop faces to our face recognition model. So in order to use face recognition models inside this application, we are using this package TF-Lite Flutter. And after that, we have added our TF-Lite models inside this assets folder. So there you can see this FaceNet and mobile FaceNet model. And now for using these models, we are using the code present inside this ML folder. So basically in this recognizer class, we are loading these models, and then with the help of the methods of this class, we are passing crop faces to our model and getting the embedding. And we have covered these classes earlier inside our course. So now we are simply going to use it. So firstly inside our main dot we are going to declare an object of type recognizer. So here we can declare it late recognizer, and we can name it recognizer. And after that inside our init state we can simply initialize it here. So recognizer is equal to recognizer, and in the constructor we are not going to pass anything. So now when this code will be executed, our model will be loaded inside this recognizer class, and now we can use this recognizer object here inside our perform face recognition method. So here in this method, after getting the crop face, we can pass it to our face recognition model. So we can use this recognizer.recognize method, and to this method we are going to pass our crop face. And after that we need to pass the bounding box or the rectangle object here. So we will pass this face.bounding box here. So now when this method will be executed, this cropped face will be passed to our face recognition model, and we will get the embedding for that face. And this recognize method will gonna return that embedding in the form of recognition object. So here we can create that recognition object and name it recognition and assign the result to it. So now when this line will be executed, we will get our recognition object, and in this recognition object we will get the embedding for the current face which we pass to that class, and then we will also get the name of the registered face which is most close to this face, and then we will get the location which we already passed, and then this distance. So this name will be the name of the registered face to which this embedding is most close to, or in other words, this name will be our recognition, and this distance is actually the distance between this embedding and the embedding of our already registered face which is most close to our current face. So in other words, when we are going to pass this crop face to this method, we are getting the embedding for this face, and we are also getting our recognition here. So now after getting this recognition object, the next step is registering that face.